Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I'm going to be working on a design I want to put on Night Owl. I'm looking at doing the distressed metal rivet type, World War II type paint job on it. I'm throwing around the idea, I don't know. What I want to do is make a template and play around with it and see if I like the way it's going to look. So what I did was I got some 11.5 inch by 8 inch sheets of paper, cut them down to, oh gosh, what did I cut them down to? I think I cut them down to 4, 6, 8, 10 by 8.5, and just put in a bunch of holes on it. So what I'm going to do is overlay these guys on top of that piece of metal that I painted, and just play around with it. If I don't like it, not a big deal. I'm still going to stick with the green on it. But if I can do a distressed, metal type look with, the rivets on it and all that, I might play around with it. But we'll see. You guys have probably seen this in other videos. I'm going to actually be putting on spray paint on it for the paint job. So I'm actually going with the camo green. Okay, this is what it's gonna be as far as the base goes, and then as far as the rivets go, if I go this route, I'm gonna use a black. When all said and done, I'm gonna put a matte finish over it. So the car is actually going to be green with a matte finish, but if I like this, I might actually add this on. So let's get going. I already got that piece of metal painted, and let's get going and play around with the design. As always, guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell at the bottom for upcoming notifications. Alright, guys. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. I'm happy with it. I don't know if it's going to be my final design. But, you know, it came out alright. It's not, I don't know, it's not the best. For using a rattle can, obviously, it came out pretty decent. I might get my airbrush gun out and give it a go with that. I kind of like the overspray. Some people might not like that. I don't know. Right now, I think it looks like, I don't know, it looks to me like it's just paper with holes in it at the moment. So I kind of have to sit on it for a few days and see if it's something I want to go with. And again, that might only be because, you know, I have sharp corners. Everything's all square. You know, I need some other designs on it. But I might go ahead and try this on the car. Just go ahead and lay it out, paint it. Worst case, if I don't like it, just paint over it and call it a day. So you guys tell me what you think. You think I should continue on this or not, or tweak it? I'm not much of a painter as far as you know, detail work, as far as using airbrush and all that, but I'd give it a go. I'm happy with it, all in all. But like I said, I'm going to sit on it for a few days. You guys tell me what you think. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. Remember, it's built, not bought. See you on the next one.